Okay, so today we are going to start with Calcarea Phos. Okay, um, Calcarea Phos is one of the most important tissue remedy in your 12 tissue remedies. This is important remedy and it has been used to cover up the calcium deficiencies. Okay, so it is one of the most important tissue remedy, and while it has many symptoms in common with Calcarea carp, there may be some differences and characteristic features of its own. Okay, it is similar to Calcarea carp, but there are some differences about Calcarea carp and Calcarea phos, especially in characteristic symptom. And mind it well, this is important 12 tissue remedy. 12 tissue remedy in that this remedy has been used in a 6x potency or 12x potency to handle up with your calcium deficiencies. Okay, so this is important remedy for your arthritis, for your joint pain, for your muscle spasm also, and it has been used clinically way for arthritis. Okay, it is specially indicated in tardy dentition and troubles incidents to that period, bone diseases, non-union of fractured bone, and the anemias after acute diseases and chronic wasting diseases. So understand its pathology. It is specially indicated in tardy dentitions and troubles incidents to that period. Dentitional problem, all dentitional problem. As I told you, calcium deficiency really matter in this part. Okay, so this is really important that that tardy dentition, if you are talking about that tardy dentition, this is really matters a lot on that dentition become hampered over here. There are troublesome incidences in that period, bone diseases and non-union fracture of the bone. There are bone diseases, as I told you, arthritis, important part, that arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis or any type of arthritis or bone problems or rickets for that sake. In such cases, this remedies really work well. Non-union of fractured bone to the anemias after acute diseases and chronic wasting diseases. Anemia after acute diseases and after chronic wasting diseases. So chronic disease which leads to a lot of troubles to the, you can say, body parts. Okay, so anemic children who are peevish, flabby, have cold extremities and feeble digestion. Anemia, children who are having anemia, who are really very shy or really very peevish, flabby chubby peoples, flabby chubby childrens, and who have cold extremities. Their extremities are really very cold, and feeble means weak digestion, who are having weak digestion. Digestion is not proper, they are having cold extremities, they are really very shy, and they are really very chubby and flabby. Um, so in such children who are having anemia, in such children you can use this potency very well. It has a special affinity where bones form sutures or symphysis, and all its symptoms are worse from any change of weather. This is really important part. It has a special affinity where bone form a suture or symphysis. You will understand that point in your x-rays. Okay, if you have seen x-rays, you will find that point, that where bone from sutures or symphysis, or you have seen that sagittal sutures and all. You have seen the skull bone, you have seen the sutures in that bone. Okay, so or where a joint has been come up, and in that joint the bone who is forming that joint, try to look at the part nearest to the joint, and you will find that symphysis and bone form suture in all its symptom worse from any change of weather. So it is having that special affinity. When bone form a suture or symphysis, all its symptoms are worse from any change of weather. Any change of weather, weather can be rainy, weather can be, it can be a winter, it can be a summer. Any change of weather leads to a problem in these patients. Okay, numbness and crawling are characteristic sensation. Numbness, they feel really very numb, and crawling are characteristic sensation. Numbness, parts become numb, and crawling means some if you have seen cannabis indica, there is a typical crawling sensation. Okay, and tendency to perspiration and glandular enlargement are symptom it shares with carbonate. Okay, there is crawling characteristic sensation and tendency to perspiration And glandular enlargement, there is glandular enlargement, and our symptoms it shares with the carbonate, scrofolosis, chlorosis, and thysis. This all symptoms, if you are going to look toward this become the important remedy in your clinical practice. There is numbing, there is crawling sensation, and there is tendency to perspiration and glandular enlargement. Lot of glandular enlargement which I have been seen in your calcarea carb also. It share with the carbonate. There is scrofolosis, recurrency in your symptom of respiratory troubles, chlorosis, there is anemia, and thysis, tuberculosis. Headache is worse near the region of sutures. From a change of weather, from school children's about puberty, fontanelles remain open too long. Cranial bones are soft and thin. Defective hearing, headache with abdominal flatulence. Head is hot with smartening of roots of hair. This is really important remedy, as I told you. You can say this is short remedy, but this is really important remedy in your clinical practice. Headache get worse near the region of sutures. There is lot of headache, but near the region of sutures, and it get aggravate from change of weather, or it can be start with the change of weather. Of school children's about puberty, school going children's who are in puberty, in those children's, they are having this type of headache. Even growing pain, it has been seen as growing pain. The school children's who are going to reach towards the puberty, if they are having pain in legs, okay, they are having typical leg pain or headache, in such children's, you can use this remedy very frequently, and it gives a good results to you, okay. Fontanelles remain open too long. Cranial bones are soft and thin. Your cranial bones become soft and thin. There is defective hearing. This patient cannot hear very properly. Okay, there is defective hearing. Headache with abdominal flatulence. If you are going to look towards the headache, there is a headache with abdominal flatulence. Okay, so if you are going to look towards the headache especially where there is a, you can say, in school going children say yes. Yeah, I had already entered all. Okay. Sorry. So we are talking about this headache. Okay, so headache get worse near the region of sutures. Headache is lot of, especially near the region of suture, who are in a children who are heading towards the puberty. Headache and leg pain are really common in them. Fontanelles remain open too long. Cranial bones are soft and thin. Defective hearing, headache with abdominal flatulence. Head is hot with smarting of roots of hair. Eyes are diffused opacity in cornea following abscesses. Mouth is swollen. Tonsils are there. Cannot open mouth without pain. This patient cannot open mouth without pain. Complaints during teething. Teeth develop slowly. Rapid decay of teeth and adenoid growths. Okay, there is swollen tonsils are there. Tonsils become enlarged, they are swollen. There is a inflammation in your tonsils. They cannot open mouth without pain. There is lot of pain, so this is a great remedy for your tonsillitis. Okay, complaints during teething. These patients have lot of complaints during teething. Teeth develop slowly. Rapid decay of teeth. Adenoids growth. Okay, rapid decay of teeth. If their teeth has been, if their teeth has been developed also, they decayed very fastly. Okay, so there is always there, they have complaints of regarding their teeth. Adenoids growth are there. Stomach, infants want to nurse all the time and vomits easily. These children want to nurse all the time. Okay, infant want to nurse all the time and vomits easily. There is craving for bacon, ham, salted or smoked meat. Much flatulence, great hunger with thirst. Flatulence temporarily relieved by sour irritations, heartburn, easy vomiting in children. Okay. So this infant who wants to be nursed all the time and they vomit very easily. There is craving for bacon, craving for ham, salted or smoked meat. Now, if you are talking about salted or smoked meat, you can think about tandoori chicken and all. Okay, but in our country, bacon and ham is not really used in as a food in our country. Okay, but in European country, they used to eat all these things. Okay, there is a great hunger with thirst and flatulence, which get temporarily relieved by sour eructations. Okay, so hunger is there. There is lot of hunger. They are really very thirsty, but there if you are going to look towards their flatulence, they have lot of flatulence, huh? But it will relieved by sour eructations. Okay, but that air should be passed at one some route. Okay, and then they feel better. There is hard one, easy vomiting in children's, as in upper very first slide we have seen. They have really they can really vomit very easily. Just after nursing they can vomit very easily. Okay, abdominal complaint, at every attempt to eat, colicky pain in abdomen. If they are going to eat something, they will have colicky pain in abdomen. Sunken and flabby abdomen, colic is there, soreness and burning around the navel. Colicky pains are there. There is soreness in the abdomen, and there is burning pain especially around the navel. Okay, stools, there is bleeding after hard stool. There is bleeding after hard stool, diarrhea from juicy fruits or ciders. Okay, there is bleeding after hard stool, there is diarrhea especially from juicy or hard sorry, diarrhea is especially from juicy fruits or ciders. Means I'll say you the you can say juicy fruits. If you are going to look it will leads to a diarrhea, but that diarrhea can be covered with this calcarea first, and for such diarrhea you can also use arsenic album. Okay, so there is bleeding after hard stool and diarrhea from juicy fruits or ciders during dentition. During dentition you can think about other remedies also other than calcarea first, but this calcarea first is also having a great result. Give me a minute. Okay, so we are talking about stools complaints, stools of calcarea first. There is bleeding after hard stool. If there are hard stool, patient will bleed very easily. Diarrhea from juicy fruits or ciders during dentition. I was talking about it. If in dentitional period, if patient is having such type of diarrhea and he is having lot of, uh, yeah, I have seen. So we are talking about stool complaints of calcarea first. There is bleeding after hard stool, diarrhea from juicy fruits and ciders during dentition, green, slimy, hot diarrhea. There is sputtering, okay, and undigested with fetid flatus. There is undigested particles with fetid flatus, okay. There is sputtering diarrhea. Such sputtering diarrhea means stools are passing with lot of flatters and lot of noises. Okay, sputtering diarrhea. You are going to get ignatrum sulf also. Okay, and Calcarea fos also. There are undigested particle with fetid flatus. Fistulae nano, you will get fistulae nano alternating with chest symptom. Okay, if chest symptoms are there, then fistulae nano will will relieve for some time, or if chest symptoms get relieved, then it will aggravate. Okay, so alternating with chest symptom, there is fistula in ano. Okay, especially all the stool complaints, not only fistula and ano, but all the symptoms, all the stool complaints will get alternate with this chest symptom. Then urine increased with sensation of weakness. Patient feel increase urine in, there is increase in frequency, increase in quantity with sensation of weakness. Pain in region of kidneys when lifting or blowing the nose. Pain in region of kidneys when lifting something or blowing of nose. Then female complaints. Female complaints, menses are too early, excessive, and bright in girls. If late blood is dark, sometimes first bright then dark, with violent backache during lactation with sexual excitements. Okay. Uh, Nymphomania with aching, pressing, or weakness in uterine region, just like your platina. During lactation and with sexual excitement, there is nymphomania. Nymphomania means sensitivity of vagina. Patient cannot touch that part. Okay, patient cannot touch the vaginal area. So nymphomania is there with aching, pressing, or weakness in uterine region. Platina is also having similar symptom. After prolonged nursing, there is pain. Okay, leukorrhea is like white of egg. This is important for your gynec and for your 2 mark question also. Leukorrhea like white of egg. That is your calcaria first. Worse from morning, child refuses breast milk, taste is salty. Okay, child refuses breast milk, will taste salty. Then prolapses in debilitated person. Um, Prolapses in debilitated person also symptom of this calcaria first. Prolapse of uterine uterine part, or you will say cervical cervix get prolapsed, and which leads to a lot of problems, especially in debilitated person. Respiratory complaints, there is involuntary sign, chest is sore, suffocative cough, better by lying down, hoarseness of voice, pain through lower left lung. This is really very important. Pain through lower left lung. Neck and back, rheumatic pain from the draft of air, with stiffness and dullness of head, soreness in sacroiliac or symphysis as if broken, just like your Aeschylus. Okay. Aeschylus is remedy for your blind hemorrhoids with backache. Okay. Then extremities, stiffness and pain with cold, numb feeling, worse any changes of weather, crawling and coldness, uh, buttocks, backs, limbs asleep. Okay, buttock, back and limbs they feel asleep means there is lot of numbness. Okay, there is lot of weakness, there is lot of numbness in that part. Pain in joints and bones, vary when going upstairs. They feel really very tired when going upstairs. Relationship complementary to ruta and hiparsal. So this is all about your calcarea first. So I'll revise this remedy again. This is calcarea phosphoricum, calcium of lime. It has been said one of the most important tissue remedy, and while it have many symptoms common with calcarea carb, there are some differences and characteristic feature of its own, especially indicated in tardive dentitions and troubles incidents to that period. Bone diseases, non-union of fractures bone, and then anemias after acute diseases and chronic wasting diseases. Anemic children who are peevish, flabby, have cold extremities and feeble digestion. It has special affinity where bones from suture and symphysis, and all its symptoms are worse from any change of weather. Numbness and crawling are characteristic sensation, and tendency to perspiration, glandular enlargement are symptoms it share with carbonate, that is your calcarea carb. There is scrofullosis, chlorosis, and thysis. I had explained all this. Okay, headache is worse near the region of suture from change of weather, of school going children's about puberty. Fontanelles remain open too long, cranial bone are soft and thin, defective hearing is there, headache with abdominal flatulence, Head is hot with smartening of root of hair. Eye, diffuse opacity in cornea following abscesses. Mouth is swollen, tonsils are there, cannot open mouth without pain. This is great remedy for your tonsillitis also. Complaints during teething, teeth develop slowly, rapid decay of teeth, and adenoid growth is there. Stomach, infants wants to nurse all the time and they vomit very easily. Craving for bacon, ham, salted or smoked meat. Much flatulence, great hunger with thirst flatulence, temporary relieved by sour irritations. There are heartburn, easy vomiting in children's abdomen at every attempt to eat, colicky pain in abdomen, sunken and flabby, colic, soreness, burning around the navel. Stools, there is bleeding after hard stool, diarrhea from juicy fruits or ciders during dentitions, vein slimy, hot, sputtering, undigested with fetid flatus. There is fistula in ano, alternating with chest symptom. Urine is increased with sensation of weakness, pain in region of kidneys when lifting or blowing the nose. Female menses are too early, excessive, and bright in girls. If late, then blood become dark. Sometimes first bright, then dark, with violent backache during lactations and sexual excitement. Nymphomania with aching, pressing, or weakness in uterine region like your platina. After prolonged nursing, leukorrhea is there like white of egg. Worse in morning, child refuses to breast milk, tastes salty, prolapses in debilitated person. Respiratory complaints, involuntary sighing, chest is sore, suffocative cough. It get better by lying down. Hoarseness, pain through lower left lung. Neck and back, rheumatic pain from draft of air with stiffness and dullness of head. Soreness in sacroiliac symphysis as if broken, just like your hasculus. Extremities, there is stiffness and pain with cold, numb feeling. Worse, any changes of weather, crawling and coldness, buttock, back, limbs, asleep. Pain in joints, bone, vary when going upstairs. Relationship, complementary to Ruta and Hipparcel. So this is all you about your Calcarea foss.